So we're working on the 300E. One of the things I didn't like about this car was the brake lights working off of the hydraulic switch, which is standard Chrysler up until 61. So this is a standard stoplight switch. You can buy them off of eBay or anywhere else. But this would ride against the brake pedal, and you know, it's mechanical. It connects this one and this one. Yeah, it's a much better system than the hydraulic. So I was going to convert this car, and I'll show you what I did. I'm also working on a lot of other things on this car, so you'll see the dashboard's all apart. You don't need to do that. But getting access down here was a little tight. I don't have a right angle drill motor, so I removed the ashtray and the fuse box, and that allowed me to get my, my normal drill motor up in here. I took that 62 switch and I flattened it. There, you can see it right here. I drilled a hole right there, and that's what I needed the drill motor for. And now you see how pardon my shaking, as the brake pedal goes down, you can see the switch falls away and it'll make contact. I'll run the wires here, and now I've got a good solid brake switch. This material up in here, it's soft, so drilling is really not that hard. It's just a matter of, this is in the way, and that's in the way, and oh yeah, this wants to poke you, and, but just a little bit of work, and I'm very pleased to have that done. Here is the completed E. See how I've straightened the bracket. I drilled a hole and then added a mounting bolt, then the wires, and then as the pedal is depressed, you see how it falls away. Give it a try. How about that? And here you go. There's the mechanical brake switch installed. I'll have to get to these wires, and those are barrel connections. I'll make a connection here on a set of jumpers back to the firewall, to the switch, and then we have mechanical brake lights. We're finishing up the mechanical brake light switch here on the Parade Green C. I have done the same thing I did with the E. Taken the wires that would go here, and there you can see I've already connected them in shrink wrap. I'll put a conduit around them, and now those run back to the brake pedal. And then over to the mechanical brake switch. I'll tidy these up here in a minute. Right now we just want to check to make sure we got all the connections, and then we'll make it pretty. So, does it work? So, working on that brake switch, you can see I've removed the steering wheel and various pieces. This gives you so much more room once you take those apart. And it's not that difficult. And they're easy to put back together. But the steering wheels on these cars, you know, there it is. They're so big. You know, you're trying to get under here and everything's jabbing you. So, spend a couple extra minutes, take the wheel off.